is an approach to healthy eating that focuses on consuming unprocessed, whole foods as close to their natural form as possible. Can clean eating be simple? The answer is yes, when you choose whole grains and fresh seasonal vegetables to create tasty dishes. The Power Bowl is a great way to eat clean with color, crunch, and energy-boosting protein. Check out this hearty, mouth-watering Power Bowl. Quinoa is a healthy whole grain that is rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. Chicken is just one option for lean protein, but others can be used, such as egg, black beans, tofu, lean pork, steak, or fish. Choose an assortment of greens and veggies with dark, intense colors to get the most nutrients. Avocado is a great source of heart-healthy fats, and it gives a creamy texture. The cilantro lime ranch crema pulls together the dish with a flavorful punch. This is such a rainbow of deliciousness. And it tastes amazing, and it's good for you. See? Simple.